know how much each wrapped pallet really costs you? With Aramco's CDS service, get accurate data for each wrapping machine, roll and cycle. Take control of your costs and avoid inefficiencies. We install the capture device on your wrapping machines to monitor performance, grams of film per pallet, and detect inefficiencies between theoretical costs and real costs. The client web provides you with a cost deviation report by roll, wrapping machine, shift and location, with the possibility to integrate it into your dashboard via API. With CDS service, you receive notifications of inefficiencies and monitor the optimal performance of your films and wrapping machines thanks to Capture technology. We are the only company in Europe that guarantees the real cost per pallet. Reduce hidden costs and ensure the stability of every load. Transform data into real knowledge. Don't let inefficiencies affect your profitability. With CDS service, every pallet's data matters. Contact Aramco and turn your data into key information.